Hello, guys. Today I'll be talking about pollution. Um, Pollution is a big deal in our environment. It can cause global warming, and also can be bad for our health. There are different kind of pollutions that can cause global warming. Some of the pollutions are invisible to human, so we won't be able to see them throughout the atmosphere and in our environments. And air pollution can occur, usually occurs in big cities where it's crowded and have like a lot of traffics and cars, um, which causes for us to use a lot of energy, like fossil fuels, which can impact the cause of global warming. So a smog is one of the most popular type of air pollution that we're able to identify, and there are different kind of pollutions that we cannot see and identify that are invisible, that can cause global warming. Air pollution is something that's been released in the atmosphere and has a negative effect in living things like animals and humans, plants. uh, One of the main causing of global warmings is carbon dioxide. Uh, Carbon dioxide is a chemical compound composed of carbon and two oxygen atoms. It is present in Earth's atmosphere in a low concentration. Atmospheric carbon dioxide comes from many different natural sources. One of them being burning of a fossil fuel, like I mentioned earlier, and also such as production of gasoline and oil production. And one of the other causes of a greenhouse gas is methane. This is an air pollution that comes from like aerosol pollutants and has effect on Earth's ozone layer. Another global warming effect is sulfur dioxide, and sulfur gets in our air through the burning of power plants and industrial facilities. And one of that is the use of coal for production of electricity. And one way to eliminate that is to use a solar panel, which can save energy and can be useful in saving money, and it uses like less energy, so we're able to reduce the effect of global warming. um, some of the effects of global warming for the environment is with the rise of the temperature, and some of the effects for our health are it can cause us breathing problems, um, respiratory systems, and also the tight feeling in around the chest. It is impossible to stop global warming, but it is possible to reduce the global warming effects and some in different kind of steps. One of the steps to stopping One of the steps in reducing global warming is to recycle. Um, that can be recycle bottles, paper plates, and different other kind of household items. And and the other way to save global warming is reduce global warming is by reusing things like I said, water bottles, paper plates, and all those things. The third way to reduce global warming is by powering your home with renewable energy. like a solar panel. Also, an example would be to turn off your lights when you're not using it, so that can save a lot of energy. And the fourth way to reducing global warming, is by reducing water waste. So when you're um, taking a shower, you want to limit, maybe take um, shorter showers instead of long, and that way there will be like less production, less energy being used. And the fourth way to reduce global warming is by the use of hybrid cars. In this case, it will be helpful it will help us reduce global warming by a less use of gasoline or burning of fossil fuels into the air, which can cause health effects. And also it's cheaper. Like, you won't be able to um, spend money on gas and things like that. So also, another example would be to take the bus instead of driving daily to work, using your transportation. So that's it. Thank you.